Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to join the official Ishowspeed server on Discord. In this server, we can connect with other fans, get updates, and be part of the community. We will walk you through each step on how to join it. On your Discord dashboard, to join the Ishowspeed channel, we just need to click the plus sign to add a server. You can find it on the left side of your screen. Once you click that, this is what you will see. Click that option and a pop-up window will appear. Then we just need to click Join a Server. Here we will type the name Ishowspeed. Be careful with the spelling, as this is the only official user ID for Ishowspeed. Once we are done, we just need to click Join Server. As you can see, we are now in the Ishowspeed server. We just need to complete this step and submit it to become an official member of the Ishowspeed Discord channel. And that's it. We have successfully joined Ishowspeed officially. Now, we can chat with other members and stay updated with the latest news from the community.